Not having everything in one location can be a bit stressful at times, whether you're talking with your client, your day-to-day operations, or even the tenant. If you're having to scramble, if you're having to say things like, give me a moment, I can get back to you, or let me do some research and I'll get that to you right away. All of that is eliminated with DoorLoop and having everything in one central location. My name is John Shoup. I'm a property manager for Volt Property Solutions in the Phoenix metro area. Our company, Volt Property Solutions, specializes in property management for single-family homes, condos, multifamily throughout the valley. We have just under 50 units in the portfolio. Ever since we have brought on DoorLoop, our unit count has increased, our back office work and time, admin, has gone down and allowed us to go after more clients and bring on for the growth. On a scale of 1 to 10, DoorLoop's onboarding process and sales team, I would have to say, easily hands down would be a 10. From the moment that the client that I worked for started the process to the moment I came on board to transition to full-time use, it's been nothing but fast response times, excellent communication, very thorough explanations if we didn't know something. Problems we had before using DoorLoop, I think a common one that a lot of property management companies growing would face would be having all the information in one location. Now using DoorLoop, having everything there from tenant ledgers to notes to work orders to any type of report we need either on the front end or the back end, having everything accessible and in one location has definitely improved and made things a lot easier. I think DoorLoop stands out compared to other property management softwares. The accessibility, usability, the ease in which the tenants have been onboarded, our process of onboarding a new tenant moving in, whether it's making payments, submitting work orders, all the feedback has been positive with DoorLoop. They're happy they're using it. I've been told this is better than the last platform they've used, and I won't say any names, but they've been very happy with it. And on the admin side, we have been very happy with it as well. Favorite feature about using DoorLoop would have to be the accessibility. What does that mean? Well, to me, the accessibility means I have access to DoorLoop on my phone and as well as laptop, desktop. With property management, you're in the field a lot. If you're in an apartment complex, you're constantly walking your grounds, making sure everything's taken care of. If you're single-family homes, duplexes, things of that nature throughout the valley, you're always mobile. It's very easy now to pull out the phone, take care of the issue at hand. Whether that's looking at documents, submitting a work order, resolving an issue, checking the ledger, things of that nature. I had a tenant call me and actually she mentioned on multiple occasions that the app that we have available to them has made it easy to pay rent, submit work orders, and communicate. And so there, taking a step back after having that conversation, I think we were reassured that we made the right decision with this software. The tenants are telling us. It's not my opinion, it's the tenants we have are telling us we made the right decision.